Water is life. Watercolor is literally water with color. Hello my dear creatives, and in this short video I'll show you how I draw this bedroom interior sketch in 2-point perspective in watercolor. First I'll begin with liner drawing. For this I'll pick one of my colored pencils and quickly show the frame of this future sketch and the perspective. By the way, here I'm using watercolor paper. For all the materials that I'm using here, please refer to the description box. So this room, as you can see, it's quite irregular. It's not a regular box, but the box of the bed is in regular 2-point perspective. You can refer to my free perspective drawing challenge if you want to get familiar with perspective drawing. I will leave the link below. So the bed is in 2-point perspective, but there are a bit more vanishing points. For the walls, to be more precise, there are 4 vanishing points because of these additional angles of the walls. By the way, I'm intentionally doing this video without any time lapse, so this is a real lifetime drawing, so there is no any speed ups. The liner drawing is almost done. It took me something around 1.5 minutes. This is how you can also work this speed, especially if you're an interior designer. You can very quickly show your ideas on paper when you get familiar with interior sketching with perspective drawing. Good, now it's time to switch to watercolor itself. The liner drawing is done. So to me, watercolor is one of my favorite techniques. To me, watercolor is life as well. As I told you at the beginning, water is life, and watercolor is water with color. It is transparent and very expressive at the same time, this technique. It's always new and just beautiful. I really love it. Here I'm doing kind of a gradient. That's why I'm taking this piece of paper at an incline so the water can fall like a waterfall, because I want a bit more darker color on the top, and with my dry brush I remove any excess pigment. So this is the first layer of watercolor. I'll be using here a very limited color palette, so basically this cobalt blue, also some brown, and maybe some red or terracotta for the accents. Adding more contrast. It might be interesting to you that many artists value watercolor higher than any other technique and say that it is the hardest technique to master. I will show you in my online courses how easy it is. Here I'm using only one brush. It's synthetic brush number 12. I'll also leave the link to this exact brand that I'm using in the description. Watercolor is special for me. It was the first paint technique I started learning at the age of 6-year-old at the children's art school. Because before that I could only put my hands on crayons, kids, pastels, markers. So it is with me, the watercolor with me my entire life, from the children's art school and through art lyceum and through my 6 years studying at the St. Petersburg Stiglitz Art Academy, and of course now. You can see some of my watercolor drawings with this hashtag on Instagram, watercolor Olga Sorokina. As you can see, currently I'm introducing middle tones in my drawing. So for interior sketching, it's very important to have 3 types of tonal values. So the lightest here, it is the wall, for example, and of course the ceiling, because it's pure white here. The middle tone here, it's the flooring, the carpet, the bed itself, and the darkest tones, they are going to be added very soon in almost black lines. The contrast is very important in interior sketching. Imagine that you would print this drawing in black and white only, and even if you have a variety of different colors, but the tones of those colors, tonal values, are the same, your drawing might look very flat. And now, as I told you, I'm adding those black lines, almost black lines. So here I mixed black with umbre, and just look how much more lively the sketch starting to look like. This definitely brings contrast, and contrast also brings life, and it becomes very appealing to look at this drawing now. I know for some of you who are currently watching this YouTube video, probably in your head you have a thought that Olga can do that in 10 minutes, but I can't. It's not for me. But trust me, it's only the habit, it's only the practice, because I've been practicing for quite a while and I created my own technique of teaching watercolor. So if you would love also to draw freely in watercolor, to draw your interior sketches, definitely check out my online course, because in this course I would love to share not only the secrets of this mystical technique, but also my love and affection for it. And I'm pretty sure you will feel the love and get inspired for your creative practice, for your interior design practice. At the end of the video, I will attach the drawings that I show you how to draw in this watercolor online course. So some lessons in this course are hour-long, some are hour and a half, and each lesson consists of several parts, usually 10 to 25 minutes long, so the information will be super well digestible for you, very inspiring and easily learned. So from my experience, this is the best format of short video tutorials, and my students hugely benefit from it, no matter which level they are at, beginner or advanced. In total, there are 6+ hours of content in this course. And generally, it takes my students somewhere from a month to 2 months to deeply go through the content, to draw all the watercolors from the course. Of course, it depends on how much time you have daily to immerse yourself in this course. Meanwhile, I've approached my favorite stage of the drawing. It's the final stage, adding accents, adding textures, patterns, for example, on the carpet. And of course, I'll add some bright accents. So I have contrast with my black lines, but now I feel like I need some pops of red or some bright colors. So for me, it's this beautiful, almost terracotta red. If I add a little bit more water to it, it becomes so much softer, and I can also introduce this color, for example, to the carpet, to the timber flooring as well. This way it will unite my entire drawing, because when we introduce some particular color, it's important to kind of spread it out throughout your entire drawing, so this color won't be like lonely sitting only in one corner of the drawing. So the very, very final strokes for them, I think I will want to unite the entire composition to balance it here, because definitely top right corner is too light, so the majority of weight is on the left hand side, so I need to balance that. I can do that, for example, by introducing a bright color for the frame. Also, I feel like I would love to introduce a bit more black color, maybe as an outline for these lampshades, for the bottom of the bed, because various thickness of the line always looks very, very interesting. I mean, I have quite thin, fine lines here, and now I'm introducing quite bold black line, and this becomes very visually interesting. Please let me know in the comments your insights, your takeaways from this video. Did you learn something new? Was it just interesting to see how I draw in watercolor? And now I'm balancing the composition with bright red. Of course, if you would love to dive deeper into the secrets of watercolor for interior design, check out my online course. You will greatly benefit from taking this course if you are, for example, an interior designer or architect, interior designer, architecture student, maybe a sketch artist, and want to widen your range of techniques, up-level your... Here, as promised, you can see some of the examples of the drawings that you will accomplish in this course. Please check out the links below to learn more. And of course, please leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your creative friends. Thank you for watching.